In today's episode of Root Word series, our word that we'll refer to is GNO, and it means knowledge. Our first word is gnosis. The word gnosis means knowledge of spiritual mysteries. The second word is agnostic. Agnostic means someone who does not have knowledge of God. Basically, he is a doubter. Our third word is agnosia. Agnosia is an inability to recognize objects by the use of senses. It's a condition in which some patients go through. Our fourth word is prognosis. Prognosis means, having a judgment about how something is likely to develop in future. Our final word is prognosticate. It refers to prophesizing about the future or foretelling a future event. Thank you for watching. Hope we'll learn something new in another video.